In this video, we're going to quickly clean up any faulty interactions that may not work on mobile devices and publish our combined experience. When navigating your Layers panel, you may have noticed a small red dot on occasion. This is an indicator that there is something wrong with that particular interaction. In this case, we have one right in the header section over our first button. Let's go ahead and select this faulty group and open up the Interact tab. As you can see, we have a hover trigger applied. However, users won't be able to hover on their phone. So let's edit this interaction to be a click trigger instead that changes the object to state 1. Go ahead and hit the Publish button on your experience to get the content live. Ceros is automatically set up to detect the person's device and serve them the appropriate experience per your settings. Feel free to load up this example on a phone or tablet to test it out. If you have any questions on creating a mobile or tablet variant or have trouble optimizing your versions, feel free to reach out via the support chat and we'll be happy to help.